What's up, beauty bosses? It's your hair business's best friend, Mikey, and today I'm going to show you all about Dropship Beauty. Now, Dropship Beauty is a Shopify app that allows you to dropship beauty products that are stored here in the USA to your customers. Now, what's great about Dropship Beauty is there are a ton of amazing products. We are talking about hair extension bundles, wigs, lashes, cosmetics, and even soon hot tools like flat irons are coming to Dropship Beauty. Using the system couldn't be easier. If you're watching this video, you probably are a little bit interested in Dropship Beauty. I'm going to walk you through every aspect of Dropship Beauty, why it's so great, why you should consider using it for your Shopify store and selling hair extensions, wigs, and beauty, and a little bit about how to use it as well. Now, this video is in a new category on the Hair Business Blueprint channel, and I will be doing continual updates because we just finished rebuilding Dropship Beauty from the ground up, so it's even more easy to use. We're adding tons of new features every single day. So let me go ahead and show you here. We're going to go ahead and go over to the App Store, the Shopify App Store here. You can see this is Dropship Beauty. I'm going to have links to all this in the description to everything I'm going over, so you can just go through it. Don't worry. You can go back and click over to the links anytime. So what's great about Dropship Beauty is it's dropshipping. So we will pack and ship the orders for you. You don't have to have inventory. You know, we hold over $1 million of inventory for our clients, and it's really helpful. Another great advantage of Dropship Beauty is we dropship. We're actually shipping from Atlanta, so products get to your customers a lot faster than some dropshippers that are using warehouses out of China, and it can take forever. Now, this just goes over some of the basics of Dropship Beauty. You can see everything here. You can read through it. Pricing, it starts at $2.99 a month. This will get you up and going, and actually plenty of features. So really for $3 a month, you have full access. For the advanced plan, you can start getting access to additional product photos and videos. The Pro plan, additional products, photos and videos, as well as custom branding support. So there are custom branding items that you can use. You get a bin inside our warehouse where you can store the items. This bin can hold a bunch of different things like packaging as far as hair extension bags, tags for your wigs and lashes, pretty much everything. So it's really easy to get started just by installing the app. We're going to do that in just a minute, but first let me show you a few other things. So we do have the dropshipbeauty.app website. This is really just a landing page for the app that's going to send you over to here. Nothing too exciting, but I do want to go over everything today. The next website is dropshipbeauty.com. I will have a link in the description for you for this as well. So if you want to buy some of the unbranded beauty in bulk, you can come here to Dropship Beauty for cosmetics, lashes, lace glue, a little bit of everything. We're going to continue to add products here. Now, one thing that is really good on Dropship Beauty is you do have access to purchase a website. So if you want a fully designed website handed over to you, you don't need to sign up for Shopify or anything yet. Our team will totally set up the websites for you. You can see we currently have 5 templates. These are all built on the new Shopify 2.0 platform. So this is super fast. They're super beautiful. You can go through here, tons of information. You can click and you can actually see an example of what the stores look like and click all through. So that's fantastic. I will put a link directly to the websites because for $299, literally you can get started right away. And that's a huge advantage. That's for if you don't feel like or have the knowledge of how to build these things out. Don't worry, our team has probably built more hair extension websites than anyone in the world since we started building websites in 2016, 6 years ago. So we have tons of experience with this, and we're actually a Shopify partner. So it makes it really, really simple. So definitely take a moment and check out these sites for 300 bucks. It's money well spent. And that's at dropshipbeauty.com. Now, I have a store set up. It is just a blank store. There is nothing here, but I'm going to quickly show you how you can use the Dropship Beauty app, add it to your store, import a few products and some of the features. I'm going to go into more specific detail about these in future videos. This video is really just to give you an overview so you can have an idea of what you're getting into with Dropship Beauty. So I'm just here. This is a blank store. Like I said, there's no apps, nothing installed yet. You would just go to apps within your Shopify store. Okay, so that'll take you directly to the App Store. You can search Dropship Beauty. Of course, I do have a link in the show description for this video. You're just going to click Add App, click Install App. It's going to go ahead and install. What's great about the new Shopify 2.0 system is the app is actually built into your Shopify store, so it's super easy to manage. Basically when you get here, it's going to ask you to select a plan. Once again, we have the basic plan. You can start off with the basic plan. The main difference between the basic and the pro is the custom branding option. If you're just starting getting your store set up, you probably want to just go ahead and go with the basic. I'm not trying to sell you on anything here, but for the pro, definitely to have the custom branding is a huge advantage. So I'm just going to go back here. So we do have an expert setup feature where for $25, the Dropship Beauty team will install all the products into your site. It shows how many products you still have available to import. Add a payment method. This is to pay for the order. So when customers order on your Shopify site, you collect the money. You're going to go into Dropship Beauty and actually process the order to have a payment method here. So you basically don't have to keep adding a payment method every single time. It makes it happen in a snap. Once again, the custom branding materials, you have to be a pro. Same thing with the premium images and some of the marketing content. This goes into taxes, so you can become tax exempt because you're going to be collecting taxes from your customer. We're shipping from Georgia. Different reporting, and then of course you can send us a message. So in here is your order section. So we don't have any orders, obviously, because our store is not built yet. But that's where you would go to process your orders. There's also a Dropship Beauty mobile app that makes processing orders a snap. I mean, you can process 5-10 orders in literally 10 seconds. We made it just that easy. But let's go over here to products. It's going to walk you through a little tutorial about everything here. But even better than this tutorial is me. We just added a new predictive search feature. I made a YouTube short about that. That's kind of cool. But you can go over here and you can see different collections of products. So let's see here. Let's just say bundle deals, and I wanted to do a bundle deal. So here's some of the bundle deals. And let's see. Let's say Brazilian deep wave bundle deals, add to import list. So all you're going to do is add this to your import list, and you can add multiple items to the import list. It's just as easy as this. And then you would go to import list. Now let's go ahead and import the Brazilian deep wave bundle deals. I'm going to click here. This is going to walk you through a tutorial again, but even better than that tutorial, I'm going to give you a tutorial. So as you can see here, it already has the description. Now you are able to change that. So if you want to make it kind of sassy or change the name a little bit, you're more than welcome to do so. It has a basic product description. I always recommend going in and updating the product description with a little bit of your personality. Now that's something you can do later after you've imported it into your Shopify store, no problem. Then you can add it to different collections. For now, I'm just going to add it to the homepage. I haven't created collections within my Shopify store as of yet. So this is the one that's generically created with Shopify. We do have a new feature coming where you can actually create a collection within the Dropship Beauty app. So that's one of the cool things that you're going to see in upcoming videos here at Hair Business Blueprint. So make sure you subscribe to the Hair Business Blueprint so you don't miss a thing, especially if you're a Dropship Beauty user. You definitely want to subscribe and get all this free information. So we have a price multiplier here. Now, if you want to make the price, say 1.6 times, 1.5 times, you can apply the multiplier. It's already going to do the calculations here, okay? Now, as you can see, it shows your cost and shows the price. Now, the price looks a little bit messy here. You don't want a store that has 20, 40, 40, 60, right? So what we're going to do is go over here to the settings section. We're going to do a price multiplier of 1.6. You can set it to 2.0, whatever you want. Now, this is based on if you don't, in the import list, change it. So this is just a general setting. Now, what I want to do is round prices to the nearest 99 cents. Let's save changes. Let's go back to this import list. Let's go back to the deep wave here. You can see once I save that, all these are going to be to 99 cents, and moving forward, all these are going to be 99 cents. Now, if you wanted it to just be 0, you can do that as well. So we can go back here and say 1.8 times. It's going to show you your cost, your price, your profit, and your profit margin percentage. It's going to calculate everything for you. You don't have to worry about doing anything. Now, since we're just on the basic plan, you're just going to get the basic product image. Okay, so once you have your product images, because I'm on the basic plan, we just have the single product image here. I would click import to Shopify. Now, you do have to have a paid plan to import it to actually show up, but just for this tutorial, I'm going to have future tutorials that show you actually that working, but this is just a basic tutorial. You're going to also, so that's how you import a product. So basically in seconds, this product is now on your Shopify store, and you would find that within the product section. So you would go over here to products and you would find it here, and then you can categorize it, and then you can even put it on your store here. All right. So going through this here, also notifications, welcome to Dropship Beauty. As different things happen, like new products come, you're going to get notifications. We might be able to send you sort of updates about different pricing or anything else. That's all going to be here in your notification section, so that's something you want to keep an eye on. Also within your dashboard, you're going to see different products or different cards. So these are cards just like if you were in your standard Shopify store. You can see all these are different cards that Shopify recommends. We have those that come inside the Dropship Beauty app as well. So you'll notice different cards show up here over time with recommendations, marketing tips, new features, and everything else. So that's something you're definitely going to want to keep track of. We also have a knowledge base, so you can click over to the knowledge base. This actually is in the works of being updated because we just updated the new store, the new system. But this has tons of information all about Dropship Beauty. So I'm going to have a link in the description for this as well. This is tons of information. We take all the questions that people ask and we put it here. So also we have a website called Private Label Branding. Let me show you that. And here at Private Label Branding, we have everything else you need to get started. So if you need a professional logo for 99 bucks, you can get a logo, super simple. You can see some of the custom branding items that we have. So if you want to sell edge control, we have the different edge control labels. We have a rapid print. So if you just need a few labels. And what happens is once you have these, and once you're on a pro plan and you have these printed, we keep these here at the warehouse and we'll assign you a reference number. And with that reference number, we will add that custom branding to your orders because as your orders come in from your customers, in our shipping system, it will have your custom branding number and we know which custom branding bin to go to. So that's a basic overview of Dropship Beauty, and it makes it super simple to start a Shopify store and dropship products. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I have a whole series of tutorials that are going to go really into building out your store with Dropship Beauty. But make sure you subscribe to the Hair Business Blueprint because I have tons of videos coming for you about dropshipping, running your hair store, marketing, and everything else. Of course, you can always follow me at Moran Mikey on Instagram. I get a lot of DMs about certain questions about the hair business. I try my best to respond, or I might even make a whole tailored video for you and put it on the YouTube channel. Now, I do keep our clients private, so I'm not going to mention your name, but feel free to send me a DM with a question, and you might have a whole video describing exactly how to fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Hair Business Blueprint.